Hi, my name is Aditya Sharma, a grad student at Duke University. I come from India where nearly 3/4 of the young people like me, between the age of 13 to 28, are unable to get the education they deserve. In order to get into a good quality of engineering, medical, or any other higher education institution, one needs to rank in top 2 to 5% in various entrance exams. In order to be in top 5% of these entrance exams, there are coaching institutes apart from the regular school, which provide specific training and resources. The average tuition fee of these coaching institutes is about $1,500 per annum, which is 1/3 of per capita income, and way beyond the reach of middle and low income society. At the same time, tuition fee of these coaching institutes has increased by more than 80% in the last 5 years. Similar is the condition for the candidates competing for the government jobs in India. Typically, there are students who put their family savings on the line or plunge them into further debt to join expensive coaching institutes. On the other hand, students who have access to the expensive coaching institutes gets an extra edge over other not so privileged students. When I finished 8th grade, my parents faced the same problem, and I was not the only one. There are in total 95 million students in India who don't get equal opportunity to compete in entrance exams. The primary reason for this is that more than 80% of secondary and high secondary schools in India have poor education standards, and the people are unable to afford expensive coaching institutes and schools. To help students and parents overcome the issue I faced, in June 2013, I founded EduLife with the vision to enable equal opportunity for education for all students by making playing field more fair. The idea was to provide students online education resources and to help teachers and schools improve their education standard. For the first phase of EduLife, we provided educational resources for various entrance exams for both higher education and jobs in government sector. Initially, we collected notes from various sources like friends, family, contributors, and sometimes the notes of previous toppers of various exams. The growth of EduLife was consistent. Initially, we got popular through organic search and social media. Further, in Feb 2014, we started collaboration with renowned teachers, small and mid-sized coaching institutes. Collectively, all these efforts helped us to create a good quality content on edulife.com. To generate further awareness, we collaborated with student ambassadors and local NGOs. EduLife conducted information sessions in 4 cities and 6 towns. We informed teachers, students, and schools about our initiative. We asked students about their expectations and requirements. We got regular media presence and support from local teachers. We are humbled and gratified with the response we have received across India. In 2014, we had 1.3 million users on EduLife and its subunits.
Today, EduLife database has more than 7,000 video lectures, more than 4,000 questions for online practice test and digital learning material. Apart from helping students online, EduLife runs digital learning program to improve the standard of education in schools. EduLife curriculum runs in 17 schools of India, and we are directly impacting 390 students this year. Recently, we have collaborated with 940 schools in India to run our curriculum after school hours.
Our work is far from done. To reach every student, our future course of action would be: first, to hire professional faculty members to generate our own content. This will help us to create complete and comprehensive study material on EduLife. Also, this will help us to avoid any copyright issues. Second, to improve the user interface. Third, to build the EduLife mobile app and an offline application to expand our reach and to help those students who don't have access to regular internet connection. Fourth, to strengthen both online and offline marketing. I'm lucky enough to be part of Duke University, but not everybody is. We need your support to spread our message and to make difference in life of millions of students. Let's share and educate everyone. We are EduLife.